Okay guys, so today's verb is the verb yasumu. Yasumu, which means to rest. Okay, the kanji is yasu, and then we have the hiragana mu. So to make our four different forms, we're gonna be changing the mu, mami, mu, memo. Okay, so the first one is our dictionary form yasumu. So for example, shigoto o yasumu to kubi ni naru. 仕事を休むとクビになる。仕事を休むとクビになるよ。This means 仕事 means work or your job. Yasumu in this case is to not go uh, to your job, to not attend. If it's a school, 学校 yasumu is to not attend classes. So it's to not go. Okay, to not be present. And kubi means kubi actually is it means neck, but this is a Japanese expression. Kubi ni naru, or is basically to get fired. Okay, so for some reason, because it has a different meaning from neck, we write it in katakana kubi. Okay, kubi ni naru you can memorize as a group, a set of words. Kubi ni naru. Okay, so one more time. Shigoto o yasumu to kubi ni naru. Okay, so don't do it. It's like an advice. Naru yo, if you put an yo at the end, is an advice. Shigoto o yasumu to kubi ni naru yo. It's like soft. Okay, well, let's have a look at our masuke, which basically is our polite version of yasumu. Ashita gakko yasumimasu. Ashita, ne? Or this can also be read as asu. Asu. But when we are talking, we say ashita. We don't really say asu, but you could read as asu. Okay, so ashita gakko, school, yasumimasu. I will not go. Okay, I'm not going. So tomorrow I'm not going to school, basically. 明日、学校休みます。明日学校休みます。Good. Now the negative form is yasumanai. So mamimu memo ma. So yasumanai. そんなことで休まないでください。So we saw already that ないでください is the imperative negative form. So please don't do blah blah blah. Okay, so in this case it's please don't rest. Okay, so そんな is like this or that. In this case, koto is like a things, but そんなこと means like for that kind of things or for this silly thing, you know. So in this case, it's more like well, you know, don't don't rest just because of something silly like that. For example, oh, I have a headache, so I'm not gonna go to work today, you know. So well, you know, you could maybe just take a pill or something, medicine, and go, you know. Don't そんなことで休まないでください. Okay, so the last one is our imperative form, yasunde. So be careful with the de change. Okay, yasunde, yasunde. For example, ちゃんと休んで元気になってください。ちゃんと休んで元気になってください。ちゃんと休んで元気になってください. So this sentence is ちゃんと is like properly, rest. Genki is like healthy, fine, you know, in a good mood. It has a lot of different meanings. In this case, it's like to get better. Okay, so this person's probably sick. So genki ni naru is to become genki, to become healthy, to become energetic. Genki ni naru. Kudasai is please. So please take a rest. You know, rest well and get well soon. Basically, okay. This is what it means. ちゃんと休んで元気になってください. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.